I'm less than 1 kilometre into my ride. I've had to get off the bike and push already because of this. And my shoes already look like this. Anyway, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to What's Up. I don't know what to number this because I don't know, do my live streams count as What's Up videos? I've been calling them What's Up Live, but if they do count, I think we're in the 400s. I'm just going on a ride today for no reason other than to get out and ride. I'm not reviewing any new products, anything like that. I suppose the only thing I am testing is my legs and my lungs. And prior to just going through that ridiculous swamp, my plan was to try and join together my gravelly grime trail loop with my Beechwood Gallop loop. So they do link to form a kind of figure of 8. I'm now just a little bit nervous about how disgusting it's going to get based on what my bike and my feet now look like. So might have to rethink my plans, but anyway, it's a beautiful Sunday in February. No, it's not. It's a beautiful Saturday in February. And I've got a couple of hours before the Merseyside Derby kicks off, so let's go and take advantage of this weather. So we've had the smooth stuff, we're about to join the gravelly grime trail, and this is where it could become problematic. Although I'm saying all that, it actually seems quite pleasant at the moment, but I will inevitably eat my words very shortly. No, I don't want to put my foot down. I'm going to have to. Oh. All right. That was a full-on river. I'm exhausted. I don't even know, my Wahoo stopped recording because I'm going too slow. I'm absolutely shattered. That's what I just rode through. And you know what? For the purposes of the video and for the no doubt enjoyment of you guys, I'm going to do it again and set the camera to the side for you. There you go. I reckon that's a pretty good camera angle. I didn't quite make it through that time. Had to put my foot down about there. But it's cleaned my shoes up nicely. My bike's making really disgusting noises now. I can't breathe. This is so much fun. Okay, we're into the climbing now. Thankfully, most of the water has clearly drained down here to the bottom. It's not as bad as I expected, but my back wheel is still spinning through lack of traction. How many times have I said I must get some chunky knobbly tyres for this bike, and I've not done it, so I've really only got myself to blame. Oh, this is sketchy. Wow. The shallow mud is kind of skatey, slippy slime, and the deeper mud I don't trust at all. So I don't know which lane to pick. That's all right, cheers. Alright, I'm not even trying to go up towards the Beechwood Gallop route now. I'm just following my gravelly grime trail round, and this descent is dodgy at the best of times, so I'm going to tread very carefully all the way down here, trying to pick a line that's a combination of this is not good. So much so I've forgotten what I was even saying. I think I stopped halfway through a sentence that probably didn't make any sense anyway. Anyway, what I was trying to do was avoid any wet cobbles, because they are a recipe for disaster, but also not go through the thickest, wettest mud. Right, is the gate open? Yep, the gate was open. Oh, and the mud is done. We're heading towards M25 flyover. Nice firm ground. Okay, I'm not going to turn back onto the gravelly grime trail. I'm going to go straight down into Godstone Village. I know Emma's out on a walk, so if I've timed this right, I might be able to catch up with her. No sign of her yet. No, still no sign. So I've either beaten her home, she's beaten me home, or she's actually having an affair and is in some fella's house. Oh, imagine if I found out that was true. I'd actually love to get it on video. That'd be the only satisfying thing about it. I should probably cut all that out, shouldn't I? Right, that's that. Short, sweet, sweaty, soaking, and I must say thoroughly enjoyable. I'm going to have to actually wash the bike now, which is a bit of an arse, but well worth it. And if the weather forecast, sorry, oh, I've got stingy eyes. If the weather forecast is to be believed, we have a couple of weeks of this beautiful, dry, slightly warmer weather here in the UK, so look out for plenty more outdoor videos, hopefully. My next video though will be a live stream. I'm going to do the Monday night cat race on Zwift, and yeah, and I'm going to live stream it. We're going up the Alp. Should be interesting, should be fun. And I've been making these funny little 1-minute montage introduction videos for my live streams, and oh, they are just the best thing, if I say so myself. Not because of anything I've done, just because it's a collection of memories, and going back through the 5 years or whatever that we've been running, I could do hours and hours of these montage videos. So there will be a collection of loads of them, and the first one, I can't get my zip undone. The first one will be the introduction to the live stream of the cat race on Monday at 6:45, I want to say, 6:40. So hopefully I will see you there. Anyway, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, please hit that like button and have a good weekend.